We're Colin and Justin, international TV designers, property developers and TV hosts. At the end of the day, we like to enhance anything we work on. Now we're transforming this really basic cabin and turning it into a piece of architectural majesty. And one of our biggest fixes is to employ Western Red Cedar wherever we possibly can. And today we're making this place better with Western Red Cedar pergolas.
This fix is all about frontage. It's the most important face of the cabin because it faces the lake. This is our pavement presence, if you like. The house was kind of flat and boring before, so we're using Western Red Cedar to create pergolas that bring three-dimensional structure, that enhance the architecture, but also give us some really nice spaces that we could have a sitting room, a dining room, so they're both beautiful and practical.
At the end of the day, when these are finished, we've got so many opportunities to enhance the lifestyle quotient. It'd be so easy to build a seating area there with gorgeous outdoor furniture, perhaps a dining area over there. We love what we do, and we love it when it's made easy with a really good building component such as Western Red Cedar.
Now, using Real Cedar to create pergolas gives you the opportunity to create definition. You know, I love a pergola because it kind of puts a stamp on a space. Here you could have a beautiful sitting area close to the bedrooms. Down there at the pergola we have a sitting room, a little dining area as well. So not only do they give you definition, they also give you structure as well. And I think that's incredibly important. But actually the timbers here, I feel, really give it presence and really make it feel at harmony with nature, which is super important when you're as close as we are to this beautiful lake.
Now, as designers, Colin and I are always looking for real contrast. Now, we've chosen to paint this cottage in a really rumbustious dark grey. I love it. However, without the addition of the cedar, which we've wrapped around on the deck, and indeed the pergolas, it could look a little bit flat. So contrast has really come into play when you see the painted finish, the man-made, if you like, and then this incredible natural finish of the Western Red Cedar. These big, strong, solid posts. They add real substance, particularly when you're out in the boat or you're on the sand looking back at the house. You see that real visual interplay. So Western Red Cedar is not just a tree, it's a way of life that will help your home become its best possible version.